Summer's over in September.
Yeah, it's a shame.
I'm glad summer's still here, praise, because it is summer.
They have plenty of time to go having fun at the pool
Absolutely.
before fall.
When fall comes. Fall's in
That's
September.
but they close the pool in October
Well, they open it a lot of times in October, but it's so chilly.
because it's usually a heated pool, right?
That's what it is. I thank God summer's not over until it's middle of September.
I mainly
Actually, I look on the calendar and I think the 31st is the last day of summer of September. Isn't that cool?
it's awesome, and I just mainly like taking the waterfall because I like how it does the pattern.
Let me go look on the calendar. I think that there's 30 days in
I'm
September.
trying to take a film of the waterfall.
I'm not. I don't have my head in your way, do I?
Kind of pushing me to the side.
I didn't even know that.
You were. I just like to take a film of it.
Okay.
It's pretty.
That's pretty.
I know Mom mean to. So.
First day of fall is September 22nd.
That's the first day of fall.
Yes, so we still got a lot of summer left. Thank God.
Have fun, yeah.
I'm so glad.
They're having a good time, and that's awesome. And we're having a good time here too.
That's right. Awesome.
We're having a blast. We're having a blast.
We're all having a blast.
Yes.
Everybody in the
whole,
apartment and
whole,
also everywhere.
whole apartment and everywhere, the whole world.
There you go. This feels so good out here.
It sure is. It's nice. I get to see the heated pool and the waterfall.
You know, I hate to say it, but I can remember when it was 100 degrees in August before. Even when Dad was a mailman, way back in 1989, at the time Mandy was born.
Oh, you remember now?
I do, I remember that.
It's nice.
We had to deliver mail at that time. So it's normal to have real hot weather in October, September.
I agree on that too.
Amen.
I'm really interested in the waterfall because of the pattern.
And I remember when